Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Misiki Ventures. In this video, we are going to learn about banners. How can you add banners to your digital store? Well, it's easy as usual. Now all you need to do is find the banners option from the left hand side options. Once you click here, you will be landing up on a homepage design page which looks something like this. Now for this, all you need to do is go to each section and add your banners. So if you see, I'm just going here and I am adding my banners which look something like this. So yes, if you see, my banner has already been created. Okay, let's select another banner for you. Great, so my banner has already been added. Now, I just want to remove this banner since I want to put it as my slider banner. Great. Now, for the slider banners or the hero banners, I'm again going to select another image which looks something like this. Now I have been uploading, yes, my banner has been uploaded as you can see, and also let me add a pic banner as well. So here you can see I have already added another pic banner as well. Now let me add another banner out here which looks like this. So there would be 3 different banners altogether. Yes, now if you see, I have already added a certain number of banners out here. Now all I need to do is just add some kind of sort or link if you want to. A group title, let us say a new sale, or let us say hot sale. You can add a link out here and here as well. Now once you have done that, let's go to the banners and see if our banners have already been added. So all I need to do right now is go to the store, to the view store option from the admin panel. And here, hopefully, I'll be able to see all the banners that I have added out here. So as you can see, my banners have already been added. Now this was easy, right? So also to mention, in the last video where we created certain brands, the brands have also been added out here. Now if you see, it was quite easy, isn't it? This was all for today. In our next video, we'll be knowing something more about Misiki. Till then, thank you so much. Have a great day.